Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Cancers. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this gentle guidance, guys. So these are for your general energies, Cancers. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys, Cancers. So let's start with the cards for your general energies. We have Messenger of Fire, Queen of Earth, and Two of Fire. So in your situation, guys, in your career situation, or it may be in your relationship, you are really feeling confident today, inspired. So maybe in your work or in your relationship today, guys, you have that inspiration guiding you. You feel overwhelmed, emotional maybe, and you are in high spirits, happy for the way things are, enjoying your day, feeling really grateful and happy for your situation. And you are someone wise, you see things more clearly today. So maybe in your work situation, you have a lot of clarity about what needs to be done or what will be the right choice for you for your work situation, guys. And you are planning your future, planning the way to reach your goals and dreams, and you are working with people, helping them out, suggesting them ideas or the ways to make success in your career situation or even in this relationship with this person you love. You feel really overwhelmed, emotional, happy, satisfied, and deep love towards this person, guys. And you see, you are really passionate about this love, about this person, and everything about them. You love the way they are, the way they talk to you, love the way they maybe the physical appearance. So you feel really committed, devoted to this person, and you want this relationship to move to the next level. So this may be your energy, guys, or their energy towards you, or you both feel this way in this love. So you both want this love to move towards marriage or commitment, and you feel they can be a loyal partner, trustworthy person, and you want this love to work, Cancers. And you feel overwhelmed, really emotional today, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. It is Two of Earth. So with this card, it just means that you both love each other's company, you both love to be together, and you are moving towards your dreams and goals you have for this relationship. You are simply excited, emotional, happy. So maybe this may be your energy towards this relationship or their energy towards you, guys. So they are excited to be with you or you are excited to be with them, guys, Cancers. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It's Four of Fire. So looks like in your career situation, guys, things are going in a positive way. You are seeing greater opportunities reaching you, and you are happy, celebrating some new beginning in your work situation. and happy for the way things are in your career situation and uh, the offers or opportunities that are reaching you today, guys, Cancers. So that is the reading for y'all today, Cancers. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. You can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card here. I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is the card for y'all, guys, for those who chose this first card. It is an angel card, guys. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means that angels are here guiding us today. So with this angel card, this angel stands for beauty and enlightenment, and this angel assists us in seeing the beauty in the world around us, finding happiness and joy through our own unique creative expression. So in the world around us, we often see so much ugliness, and this angel is here to make us aware of the things that are beautiful no matter what in our situation and appreciate that, guys. So when we lack that spark in our day-to-day life, we feel bored, we don't feel like doing anything, or we feel stuck, unable to think with clarity or point out or identify what we need and what is our dream or goal. When we lack that inspiration, when we lack that spark, this angel is here guiding us, helping us, giving us the answers, clearing the fog, making us see our circumstance with clarity in our day-to-day life, and bringing awareness in our situation, guys. And that awareness is going to make us realize the beauty of our world. Often we lack inspiration because we do not see, we are not aware of the beautiful things that we have, and maybe some creative blocks we have in our work or even in our relationship, whatever it is. This angel is here to guide us, give us ideas and opportunities, making us more inspired, confident in ourselves to move forward positively in our life, guys. So all you need is inspiration, guys. That is what this card is about. So maybe you can do things that you love to do, maybe. So due to some reason you do not find time to do the things that you love to do, but when we take up activities we love to do, we really feel refreshed, rejuvenated and inspired, feeling confident and happy in our own self. So when we are in that spirit, we are going to relate that in our day-to-day life. That is this card meaning, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, let's see what it is. It is orange calcite. It is an crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, the energy is that maybe you are at your creative best today. You are bubbling with energy, confidence. You want to take up something new in your life. Maybe you want to you are on the path to healing yourself from the past. You are feeling creative, you want to express yourself, and you are having intuition or some kind of inspiration in your situation. You want to do something which you love to do, and maybe for some of you, you are moving towards something which you love, something which you are really passionate about. It may be in your work situation or even in a relationship, or it may be some hobbies like drawing, painting, singing, whatever it is, something which you are really passionate about, and something which is going to channel your creative energy, guys. And you are going to help yourself, help your relationship change, become more healthier, become more satisfying because of the way you are. And your relationship is evolving, guys, positively, and your creative energy is at the peak. And if you are working with this other person in this relationship, maybe inspiring them, maybe with your love, or they may be inspiring you with their love towards you. So you are feeling powerful together, having that inspiration when you are with them, and it is taking you towards a deep intimacy, harmony, and you are building the trust you both have with each other, guys. And this is the time for you to build a strong, meaningful connection with this person. And it is also the time for fun and playfulness, being really creative, being spontaneous, having fun, having a lot of humorous time together. So this crystal spirits card stands for that, guys, and it is the card that stimulates us to give up our shyness and be playful and creative, and giving us the strength and courage that we need in our heart to be free with the other person, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.